Hey everyone, welcome back to the video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to switch back to old icons on iOS 26 and how you can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, in order to change back, what you need to do is you can go to any app. Now from here you can press and hold on that particular app. So you'll be getting this option and go to edit home screen over here. Now the app starts jiggling, and over here at the top, as you can see, we have an edit option. Tap on this. Now we have a customize option, tap on it once again. Now from here, as you can see right now, this has been set into clear. So I'm just going to change this to the default one in order to bring it back to the older versions, as you can see. And also if you tap over here on the brightness icon over here, you can just adjust the brightness over here like this. And also if you wanted to enlarge the apps, you can do it that as well. So what you need to do is, over here on this side, on the right side, we can see there is an icon. You just need to tap on it. So right now, as you can see, the app is enlarged, and you can also see that the name of the app is been gone. When you do this, it will be gone. And what you need to do, if you wanted to change it back, you can just tap on it once again, so it is back. Right, this is how we can do it, as how we can change it back. And also we have to do a few more things. That is all about, just go over here to the settings. Now from here in the settings, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the display and brightness. From here you have to tap on the liquid glass, and right now this is being set into clear. So if you wanted to change to the default tinted, you can change it. As you can see, the clear is over here, will be having these kind of things, and if you change to the tinted, you can see it's changing over here. You can just see the difference. If I change the clear, this is how it looks like. If I go back to the tinted, I can do like this as well. So you have to do as per your likes. So I'm just keep this on clear as well. Now I just need to go back, and now from here I need to tap on accessibility. From here, what I need to do is I have to scroll it down a little bit and tap on the display and text size, tap on it. Now from here, what you need to do is, if you scroll it down, you can see we have an option called reduce transparency. You can just turn it on over here. Then you can check it whether you like it or not. You can just go back, you can make the changes here. Just increase the contrast if you need. You can just go back, you can see it increase the contrast, and if you feel like it's not your taste, you can just turn it off, and you can keep only the reduced transparency. And also, but if you need both the thing, you can also switch over here to this increased contrast, and if you go back, this is how it looks like. It's all based on your needs, you can do it. So let me both keep it as it is, because I want it to be very simple and minimal, and this is how it looks like. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this gig very helpful. That's it, bye.